Alright, listen up. This is a no bull video. This is a real quick video to the point. I'm not going to waste your time. Basically, I'll show you how to change the brakes. If you want, you can skip forward. But I forgot to change the sensor. You don't have to change both the sensors. But if the sensor is pretty bad, pretty beat up, the brakes went too long, you went too long on your brake pads, and you've damaged the sensor, you might have to change the sensor. I waited a little too long. And as you can see metal right there. It's been rubbing against the rotor, and unfortunately I had to replace it. Even though you've changed your brake pads, you still won't be able to clear or reset your check engine light here. As you can see, I'm trying to change it. I won't be able to, unable to reset because I didn't change the sensor. I'll show you in a second. So I think most of you know how to take the tire off. 1, 2, you're gonna take this, pop this pin out, and then 3, you want to take this screw, not this one, but this, and right below it, right here, you can't miss it. 18-inch socket, and you're good. You're done. Watch. So I go like this so it doesn't pop out and hit me. Boom. That's out. Now the second thing you'll do is real easy. Not this here, but this one. Boom. Perfect fit. 18-inch, 18 millimeter. And then right below it, right here. Got it? Easiest thing you'll ever do. The first thing you'll do is you'll need something like this, unless you're real strong. Alright, you want to pop it out of place. Just gently kind of push down on it. 1, 2, and 3, and you'll be able to do that. Okay, once this is almost out, what you want to do is you want to
take your sensor off if you have a newer BMW, and all you do is just work it like this. Watch. Up, and then down. Up, and then down. And gently pull it off like that. Okay, there you go.
Pretty easy to do here. And then I just take a screwdriver and snap this up. And you're out. Now go back there. And then this one, it pops right off just like that. You see that? Then you might want to take this screw off gently. This one off so you can get to this. Just there's a clip here, pop and pop on top, 2 pops. Real easy, like boom. You're out. All you gotta do is disconnect it now. Remember, there's this final clip here. Right here, you see where my thumb is? Stick a screwdriver here and pop it up. And they're off. So BMW wanted to charge me almost $1,600 to replace the front and the back brakes. Okay. And I paid about $100 for the front and the back brakes. The back brakes are even easier than the front ones. As you can see, it's still good. Look at all this. BMW kind of playing to me. Nope. I'm gonna take my old brake, place it there. Take my seat clamp. Okay, back in. Let's take this off and put our brakes on. Take the new brake. Real easy, like. You got it. This one, you kind of got to pop it back in. This one's a little more difficult because it's got that spring there, but it's still easy peasy. And this one just slides right in like that, and you're done. Took no more than 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. But okay, so Now all you gotta do is tighten the bolts and you're done. Don't forget about this guy. Pop these back in, and don't forget, if you're working on the side and it's got that center, don't forget about that center. Just push it back in here. Now take the new one, and then it should just clip right in. There you go. And then in here, then here, here you go. And then you come up here, you go in here, right there, and then here you clip it in here like so, and then work your way around to over here, right here, pop it in there. There you go.